आपको देखा एज मिठू ए के ए सुबकुद्दीन
सुबुक्तगीन
सुबुक्त क्या
सुबुक्तगीन AKA मिट्ठू.
सुबुक्तगीन ए के ए मिठू इन सुनो चंदा 2. Then you also did Tum Ho Wajah, and now most recently we're seeing you in Mushk. How's the let me put it this way, how easy was it for the grandson of Agha Talish and the son of Ehsan Talish to get his first break?
Oh, this is like the toughest question of my life.
Really?
Because it's a long journey. You can see, like
Yeah.
my dada, then my father. So it's around 60 years of people in this business already.
Legacy, 60 years of legacy.
Yeah, legacy. I am afraid of even using the word, because
Let me use it.
because it's a lot of pressure. I won't shy from it. It's just that now I've forgotten about it. Like I don't take this pressure anymore. Suno Chanda 2 ki shoot se pehle, the night before that, and even the first 10 days, I was like it was like a pressure cooker inside my brain, and you start overthinking and.
But why? Your father was directing it. Suno Chanda was already a big
all
success.
the more reasons to overthink it because he's my father. So product of nepotism and so many things which go on in your mind. And even if somebody says that to me even today, that nepotism, and I really take it in a good way, because number one, I had to go through 3 auditions for Suno Chanda. I was rejected initially, and to do Suno Chanda I had to leave another thing. I was basically an assistant director. I was assisting Titch Button, so I had to leave that project and come back. So the pressure was like very challenging.
No, but what happened? Take us through that journey. You're saying you auditioned for Suno Chanda. Audition किसने लिया? आपके वालिद साहब ने लिया होगा. He was the director. या MD पे किसी ने लिया?
Basically, first I sent a video.
To whom?
To whom? To MD.
To MD.
To MD. My dad is the director.
Yeah. मतलब your dad is the director. Really? Who did you send it to?
Okay. So apparently MD didn't like my audition initially.
Okay.
Obviously, I was a new face. There was no value added to it.
And they didn't know you were Ehsan Tali's son?
Obviously, they knew it.
But they didn't like the audition.
That's what I know. To be honest, I was in a complex situation because I had left a project already.
Titch Button.
Titch Button.
Assuming that because it's your father's project, you'll get an easy break.
Assuming that.
ठीक है.
And things don't come that easy. So I had to go through another rigorous process of audition where me and Sabina auditioned together.
ठीक है.
We auditioned both at MD.
ठीक है.
And then I got to go ahead.
दूसरे audition के बाद.
दूसरे audition के बाद.
MD ने approve किया, and that's how you landed your role.
Like 2 or 3 auditions because मैंने पहले videos भेजी थी, which weren't really great. So I had to go there and give.
Did you end up embarrassing your father?
Probably. But I don't think he can get embarrassed. He is pretty,
No, but like you saying कि you left Titch Button assuming कि हाँ मतलब it'll be a smooth ride and you'll end up getting the
It
role.
wasn't a smooth ride.
It wasn't smooth because you got rejected twice.
By
अच्छा
my
मुझे
father?
बताओ I'll tell you what I'm asking this question because now a lot of people in the comment section are going to start asking कि यार देखो eventually तो मिल गया ना फिर रजा को रोल. Barring the fact that you were great in Suno Chanda 2, हमने भी तब रिव्यू किया था. I thoroughly enjoyed your performance. Unfortunately उस वक्त हमने इंटरव्यू नहीं किया आपको, लेकिन मेरा उस वक्त बड़ा मूड था कि हम मिलते बात करते. Unfortunately नहीं हो सका. बट लोगों को अब जो ये ख्याल आएगा कि यार के 2 रिजेक्शंस के बाद भी why then रजा, उसको आप कैसे एड्रेस करोगे?
To be honest, मुझे advantage मिला because of my Punjabi lingo. We're from Lahore. Suno Chanda was being shot in Karachi. You won't find an actor with a Punjabi background or some
accent उस तरह
some accent जो वो carry कर सके पूरे project में और जो आपको एकदम से मिल जाए. Everything is lined up and it was like कैसे कह सकते हैं, some things
are meant to be.
Not just meant to be.
And
The
you're
best
lucky कि
things-
मैंने audition नहीं दिया उसका.
No, I would say best things come in disguise.
हाँ.
This was something which I had never really thought about. Acting was not on my list.
Really?
Acting was not something. It was a far-fetched idea for me after Tabir. I'll be honest with you.
Why?
Tabir was my soft debut actually, so I don't consider Suno Chanda as my debut. And I was so pathetic in it. I was so pathetic in it, and I'm so honest about it that I ran away. I was like, no, I can't do this. So I
No, but Tabir se pehle you wanted to become an actor?
never really. I did Tabir just because the character wasn't really big, number
Or
one.
Imran asked you to?
No. Because I was working as an assistant director, and I really wanted to become a director initially.
Achha.
I still do, in fact. So coming in front of the camera opened up a new world for me, which I never really knew. And I think if you have to work behind the screen, you really need to know what's going on in the shoes if you're standing in front of the camera.
Huh.
So that just, changed the mindset, Tabir. And I was like, this is very tough. I can't do it. And acting से मैं भाग गया था. मैं आपको सच बताऊंगा. और कुछ एक साल के बाद सुनो चंदा शूट हुआ था ताबीर के. Mithu was something totally opposite to what you usually see on television. It's a loud character. It's an eccentric character. It was less acting, to be honest. It was more of my real-time reactions, Like, I'm a very fidgety person in reality. So that just suited me with the linguistics and with the body language. Plus, it was a new character in the drama, right? And it was a big brand, so there was no way I could have lost this opportunity. So I had to do it.
So जब कर लिया तो फिर चस्का लग गया.
फिर चस्का उस प्रोसेस में लगा. Those 70 days of shooting at Suno Chanda changed my,
जिनमें से आधे
रमजान और गर्मियां और सेट पे 14-15 एक्टर्स जो कि मंजे में हैं, ठीक है, जो आप इतनी सी गलती कर दें तो वो आपको एक ऐसी बात बता.
और वालिद साहब डायरेक्टर.
बट जितना मैं सोच के गया था कि अच्छा हाँ अब ये होगा, it wasn't like that. Everybody treated me like I was not new over there. So it was a very warm welcome on the set.
So सुनो चंदा 2 के बाद फिर डिसाइड कर लिया था कि डायरेक्शन को थोड़ा देर होल्ड कर लेते हैं, एक्टिंग ही करते हैं.
It's like you get something and you give it away is like a waste of an opportunity. So if अगर मुझे कुछ मिल गया है, I would say I'm blessed. So I can't leave that. It's like basically ना शुक्रापन, इसे उर्दू में आप कहते हैं. तो अगर एक चीज आई है तो उसको ठीक से करें, मजा लेके करें और जहां तक कर सकते हैं वहां तक करेंगे.
तो ऑफ कोर्स मतलब सुनो चंदा बीइंग द बिग ब्रांड दैट इट इज एज यू राइटली पॉइंटेड आउट, और फिर उसके बाद मिट्ठू का कैरेक्टर वो सो लवेबल, सो लाइकेबल, लोगों का भी बड़ा रिएक्शन आया. आई सपोज उसका मजा भी बड़ा आया होगा, तारीफें हुई जब. हाँ,
समझ ही नहीं आ रहा था क्या हो रहा है, जहां जाओ मिट्ठू 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 हो रहा था. But apart from this, what I loved, like something which I still admire, is that people are to this day connected with that character. I still get messages that मिट्ठू चूरी खाता. तो ये दात है भाई हमारी ऑडियंस को कि उन्होंने नहीं छोड़ा पीछा आज तक मिट्ठू का. मिट्ठू पुराना हो गया, but this is how strong television is as a medium. कि पूरी दुनिया कनेक्ट कर जाती है उससे. So yeah, the feedback is like still my inbox is full and I get messages from all over the world कि मिट्ठू चूरी खाता है, नहीं खाता, मिट्ठू थोड़ा टोन कम कर ले, मिट्ठू कब ठीक होगा, मिट्ठू सीधा कब होगा, मिट्ठू का किधर गया वो, like I still post a picture and I get a comment नीचे के यार ये मिट्ठू तो लग नहीं रहा इधर. तो I just love that audience is connected to it, but
obsess हो जाते हैं.
But there's a flip side to it.
What is that?
The flip side to it is that if I do another character, I have to do it so good that they think of me something else other than मिट्ठू.
ये मेरा अगला सवाल था कि जब आपने मिट्ठू कर लिया और मिट्ठू एक हाउस होल्ड नेम बन गया, हर बंदे को फिर तो मिट्ठू 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 हो रही थी, जैसे आपने भी कहा. मिट्ठू के बाद ऑब्वियसली एक चीज है कि आप असल में एक्टिंग को उस तरह से परसू नहीं करना चाह रहे थे, वाज़न्ट योर फर्स्ट पैशन, राइट? बट आपको उसमें सक्सेस मिल गई एंड इट इज वेरी लाइक इनकरेजिंग जो आपने ये बात की कि अगर कोई चीज आपको सक्सेस मिल जाए तो देन यू शुड नॉट वेस्ट दैट अपॉर्चुनिटी. आई थिंक दैट्स अमेजिंग थॉट प्रोसेस. तो जब फिर आपने डिसाइड किया कि अब एक्टिंग करनी है, फिर तो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी 10 फोल्ड आ गई होगी आपके ऊपर. तो अगला जब प्रोजेक्ट, फिर आपका जो मरहला आया कि अब मैंने अगला प्रोजेक्ट चूज करना है, व्हाट वाज द थॉट प्रोसेस इन योर हेड एट दैट टाइम?
इतनी थॉट प्रोसेस नहीं थी. एक्टिंग की थी सुनो चंदा में, हमें लगा एक्टिंग करनी आ गई हमें. हम एक और सेट पे गए, वही एक्टिंग करने लग गए. दिस इज तुम वजह. 2 दिन बाद समझ आया कि नो, ये नहीं करना. So I had to unlearn everything I learned on those 70 days, except those technicalities, you know, कि अच्छा light लेनी है, footwork, you know, those small technicalities. उसके अलावा जो characterization और वो बाकी सारी चीजें थी, I had to unlearn everything. Because not every character has a progression like Mittu. Mittu was someone who comes to Lahore, sorry, comes to Karachi. Fourth episode तक वो बहुत डम है. फोर्थ से एट्थ एपिसोड में उसको जरा शहर की हवा लगती है. 17वें एपिसोड में जाके वो ओवर स्मार्ट हो गया. 24th एपिसोड पे थोड़ा टोन डाउन हुआ है, यू नो, कि अब ओवर स्मार्टनेस उसकी सिमर डाउन कर गई है क्योंकि उसने एक लड़की भी फंसा ली है. सो ही हैज टू गेट दैट थिंग स्ट्रेट.
एक पूरा कैरेक्टर आर्क था,
बहुत बड़ा आर्क था, which you usually don't find in characters, and you need to stay a little more subtle and a little more realistic. तो मुझे वो सब अनलर्न करना पड़ा, और that's why I believe कि तुम वजह as an acting venture wasn't a great for me.